There's a lot of videos about how to replace the door handle on a GM or Chevy Pickup 95 through 99 roughly. This thing is, they get stretched, the casting gets stretched, and you usually have to replace the whole part by taking everything off. There's a lot of videos about how to get this far, so I'm not going to do all that. But what I did different, instead of replacing the handle, is I went to this bar right here, which is the linkage going to the actuator. And what I did was take a pair of vice grips and put the vice grips right here on the corner. Take another pair of pliers right here, and all you do is hold on to one. Since I'm holding my phone, I can't, but you hold on to one, and then you twist and give it a little tug. Then you remove. It's probably best to take the handle off first, but I've already done that and I don't want to do it again. But you take the linkage loose from there, from the actual handle. And then after you've been it one direction a little bit, you put them back, put the vice grips here, take your pliers here and bend back the other direction to the left. And what you're doing by bending this is you're increasing this angle, which gives you more power, leverage when you go to open it. So now in the stretching of this bar or whatever it is that is, or the stretching of the casting or everything, is you're giving the leverage here, or the linkage, a little more room. So you don't have to replace this and buy it and take it all apart. You can just bend this little bar right here to give you a little more linkage arm, and it works fine. Anyway, I hope you find this useful.